Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a exclusive unit. It's new and it's from Zury Sis, and it's by their Fit Hook It Draw It Fitted collection. And the wig that I'm going to be showcasing today is Tora, and I have it in the color FFT Dark BL. So what makes this wig unique is that it comes with these, what do they call it? They call it hook eye straps, and it looks kind of like bra straps in my opinion, and I like that because it should make your wig more adjustable and make the fit more secure. And then of course the main attraction is the drawstring. I'm so curious to see how this is going to play out. You get two combs in the back. Hold on, no, you get one comb in the back, one comb on each side. Hold on, how does this go? Okay, we'll start that over. You get one comb in the back, one comb on each side, and you get another one in the front near the parting section. So get into this color. It is a very interesting color. In fact, I'm kind of scared. Another thing I want to mention is it's like a lace part wig, so there's no lace to cut. That could be a pro or a con because it may have a line of demarcation, but you know, we know how to twerk that out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this wig. I'm starting off by adjusting these hooks, and it did help the wig fit more securely. So I appreciate that, Zury. And then you want to make sure that you pull on the drawstring to adjust the wig to fit your head snugly. But do not forget to tuck that drawstring. It's just like the same concept of a drawstring ponytail. You want to make sure you adjust it and then you tuck it so that everything fits securely and you're not out here in these streets looking cray-cray. This wig was kind of a challenge for me to style because of the length and the color combo, but I think it came out pretty cute. I was trying to serve you like some old Hollywood kind of glam vibes with this little look, and I think it's pretty cute. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig, what you think about this color. I love the concept of this wig. I feel like this wig would suit any head size. It's big head friendly. You can adjust it if you have a smaller head. So I think Zury is onto something with this little wig concept, and you don't need any glue. So I'm definitely here for that. I did not get a lot of shedding, and I didn't get any tangling with this wig. I think this is like a more like classy kind of grown and sophisticated style. So yeah, let me know what you think about this wig down below. I'm gonna have to give you 2 thumbs up for the concept of this wig, Zury. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.